Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete items in your cart on the Etsy application. So how to delete items in your cart on the Etsy application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Etsy Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Etsy Store app. Next, go to the cart menu in the bottom right corner. Now you're in the cart menu. The next step is to tap the X icon next to the item you want to delete. You can see that the item has been successfully deleted. So that's it, the tutorial on how to delete items in your cart on the Etsy application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.